So the tango is a unique style of music. It's very fascinating and magical to me. And this is mainly for two reasons. Because of the chord progressions, very unique chords, and for a very specific rhythm, you know, the tango rhythm, that syncopation 3-3-2. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. This kind of syncopation, which is what we're going to talk about today, and we're going to find out how common this is in tango and in rock music, really, and maybe not only in rock music. So like we said, the syncopation is really 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, which means that you play every 3/8 notes, then another 3/8 notes, and then 2/8 notes, okay? So effectively, you can count this as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and to see that this actually fits into a 4/4 bar divided in 8th notes, where you have the second accent on the offbeat number 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and this is what gives the syncopated feel to this 3-3-2 accents, really. Now you can either place the accents there and keep any kind of 8th note rhythm like that, or you can maybe play the chord, okay, on those accents and just keep a pedal to a bass note for the rest of it, like. Okay, so this is a very typical chord progression from one of the most popular tango songs, and maybe you recognized it. But the same thing could really work if you just play the actual chord on those accents and you don't play anywhere else in the bar. So like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, or if you like to count it 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, that's the same, and you go like 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. Okay. And this rhythm is really common everywhere in tango, but also in pop music, funk, rock, everywhere. Speaking of rock, why did I say that this is extremely popular in rock? Because in rock music, especially when you play power chords, really, the rhythm that you want to give is something like. So effectively, when I play these three power chords, I'm playing 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. So that's the tango syncopation, right? The 3-3-2 syncopation. It's so popular in rock music, okay? But so far we only talked about the syncopation 3-3-2 in 8th notes. What does it happen if we do that in 16th? That sounds really funky. Obviously, because we are in 16th, we will need the 3-3-2 syncopation twice to fit into 1-4-4 bar. 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A. You basically get 1 E and A, 2 E and A, and you repeat the same with 3 E and A, 4 E and A. Okay, so this is very popular in funk, you know, even when you play the ghost notes. You know, it sounds funky, but it also sounds tango a little bit. Now that we know that 3-3-2 syncopation typical of. Okay, so they're very similar to me. And you can also find the same kind of syncopated 3-3-2 in 16s in pop music. Alright guys, if you want to download the tabs and music notation for the examples I played in this video, you will find them on my Patreon page, and you will also support the channel this way, keeping these lessons coming. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and if you got any value from this video, make sure to hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video. The Video Guitarist here. Have a great day.